Several vaccination centers in Tamil Nadu wear a deserted look like this. These are 24/7 vaccination centers launched by the state government at 55 government hospitals and government medical colleges across the state. Tamil Nadu's health secretary says the vaccination drive is slow in spite of such efforts by the government. Scenes of empty vaccination centers are common and reflect the vaccine hesitancy in the state. The World Health Organization says high literacy rate, increased coverage of medical services, and other higher socio-economic conditions act as a deterrent to vaccine hesitancy. However, this is not the case in Tamil Nadu. Niti Aayog's recent report ranked Tamil Nadu as the second highest state in terms of health and well-being. Despite ranking high on developmental metrics, Tamil Nadu lags behind in vaccine coverage. It lags considerably not just behind Kerala but even behind Jammu, Kashmir and Chhattisgarh. This has raised questions about Tamil Nadu's vaccine coverage. A survey by the Tamil Nadu government showed that the reasons behind vaccine hesitancy have now shifted from sheer ignorance to suspicion and fear. The survey was carried out by the Directorate of Public Health and Preventive Medicine in July, and it covered a cross-section of people. It found that the main reasons behind vaccine hesitancy were lack of information on if people with comorbidities can take the vaccine, fear of injections, fear of death after vaccination, complacency, fear of getting the disease after vaccination, long queues at vaccination centers, and unavailability of the choice of vaccine. According to the study, vaccine hesitancy was observed in 19.7% men and 18.4% women. 17.5% people living in urban areas and 20.3% in rural areas expressed unwillingness to get inoculated. Vaccine hesitancy was highest among those who were above the age of 60 at 27.6%, while for those in the 18 to 45 age category, it was 16.9% and 18.2% in the 45 to 60 age category. While 59.9% people were hesitant to take the jab due to lack of information on vaccination centers, 57.6% feared complications in the vaccination process. An analysis by the Observer Research Foundation has stated that the death of popular actor Vivek, who was the face of vaccination campaign in Tamil Nadu, dealt a heavy blow to the state's vaccination drive. Vivek's vaccination took place in a highly televised event in the presence of the state's health secretary. He died 2 days later due to cardiac arrest. This caused many to believe that they could die from taking the vaccine. In the week prior to Vivek's death, a total of 9,56,368 doses were administered, and the week post his death, only 5,59,822 total doses were administered. Based on all these findings, the Public Health Department has decided to focus on awareness activities to address misconceptions regarding the COVID-19 vaccine. The government is also working on making vaccines more easily accessible to citizens. It remains to be seen if these efforts will pay off. A federal report.